Hello. Great to have you here. A very warm welcome to another practical class of ERP Havieri. Today we are going to explore one of the most important screens for system administration, user and permission management. This is the tool that controls who can access the system, what each user can see and do, and how information security is guaranteed. Let's understand how this powerful feature works. When you open the screen, you will see two main tabs, List and Register. In the List tab, a table displays all users registered in the system. You see the user ID, creation date, name, email, and status, which can be active, inactive, paused, or editing. Above the table, there are search fields and filters to quickly locate users. To create a new user, go to the Register tab. The first step is to define the password security level. The system requires strong passwords with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A progress bar shows password strength in real time, ranging from low, medium, and high. Fill in the user's full name, login, and password. Enter the email, which will be used for password recovery and notifications. Choose the user type, which defines whether they are an employee or administrator, and the gender. Now, we configure financial permissions, set the maximum discount percentage the user can apply to orders. If the discount exceeds a defined value, the system will require an authorization password, which must be provided. These rules ensure excessive discounts are always approved by someone with authority. Next, we configure system permissions, define whether the user can issue inventory directly at the POS without going through picking. This is useful for physical stores. Define whether the user should be automatically disconnected after a period of inactivity. This increases security in shared environments. Define whether the user has access to the audit module, which contains sensitive information. Now, I link the user to an entity, such as a customer or supplier, so they have access only to data related to that entity. Select the user's role, such as administrator, seller, buyer, or financial. Define the level of access to artificial intelligence, yes, limited, or no. Finally, set the user status as active, inactive, or paused. Upload a photo for the user profile and click Register. After registration, you can manage the user's detailed permissions. Click the menu icon in the listing to open the Permission Manager. This is divided into several tabs. In the User tab, you see basic information and can edit the data. In the Menu tab, you define which menus the user can access. For each menu, you can enable or disable query, inclusion, and modification of records. This allows granular permission control, ensuring each user sees only what they need. In the 2FA tab, you can generate a two-factor authentication link, which adds an extra layer of security to login. In the Schedules tab, you define which days and times the user can access the system. This is useful for controlling employee access on specific shifts. In the IP tab, you can restrict access only to authorized IP addresses, preventing access from untrusted locations. In the Email Account tab, you link the user to specific email accounts for sending messages. As you have seen, the user and permission management of ERP Havieri is extremely complete and secure. It allows you to create users with strong passwords, define granular permissions per menu, configure discount rules, link to entities, restrict by schedule and IP, and also add two-factor authentication. All to ensure that only the right people have access to the right information. In the next class, we will explore another important feature of the system. See you soon.